So it's always been my experience that the best way to pick up business and to maintain business is to be kind to people. Be a man or a woman of integrity. Do things the right way, and jobs will just show up. They just naturally will organically begin to appear. Oh my gosh, you've got to be kidding me. Hold on a second. I have told this guy time and time again, do not put your signs in my wash area. This is ridiculous. How many times do you have to tell a guy? Look at this. Let me turn this around. Look at this clown. You've got to be kidding me. Okay. All right, hold on a second. Let me show you what I do to guys, my competition, who put signs in my wash area. I have told this guy a dozen times, stay out of my wash area. From Cincinnati to Dayton, that's my wash area. Go anywhere else you want to, put your stupid signs, but not in my wash area. I'm gonna get my GoPro, I'm gonna show you what I do. Don't go anywhere. All right, let me show you how we do it here in Ohio. Don't mess with the fresh rinse. Let me go on record and say, I do not believe in taking up another man's sign. That's wrong. He has worked hard for his sign. But I will not stand by and let someone else try to take my business. So don't go anywhere, there's more to this. That's not all. Let me show you how we do this. It's nothing a little Rust-Oleum can't fix. All right. Perfect. That's how you do it. All right. I'm sick and tired of it. I work hard to maintain as much business as I can from Cincinnati to Dayton. I don't need this clown to be trying to take my business. All right. There we have it, right there. Perfect. All right, that's it. That'll show him. Don't mess with the fresh rinse. Anyways, what I was saying was the way that you maintain a business is with integrity, treating people kindly, and just doing the right thing, and business will just organically happen. That's how I wash 5, 6, and 7 houses a day, treating people the right way. That's it.